We'll play the two anthems. First with the Ugandan anthem, then second with the Iron anthem. Narumi ansonga bulijjo yasookawo. Round esooka abajjulage. Everything comments. I got to Uganda. I'm going to see what it was in big zone. Abazadde enyambala y'okusimbi ebiseera bye mu byadingina awange omuzadde kopa antwako kentuuke waka awerekeddwako ntege mutaawe champion, ladies and gentlemen, EGAN from Ireland in the red corner, that's over the level. Plays down on Ireland, EGAN. Yeah, into the ring right above now. It's a professional fight. Team Vegas off the ring. Ladies and gentlemen, once again I would like to say thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much, Natural Africa. Thank you so much. Abali kuringi chimenye sound fight. Joe Vegas, Lubega, blue corner. EGAN, red corner from Ireland. Ladies and gentlemen, a big applause to Joe Vegas, Lubega. A big applause to EGAN from Ireland. Okay. Center referee, John.
Vegas Uganda green corner, KENNETH red corner. Satu. Vegas versus Ken. Vegas recognize Ken. The fight is still on. Boxing is the game. Round 2. Over punch.
Remember this night called by night of Uganda, Roger and Mystic Irish Society, Divination Nutrition, Big Son Investment, thank you. Center, the referee or judge in the middle, the Roger Matiasu, TV, Telefina, Media House is present. EGAN versus EGAN from Ireland, Vegas from Uganda. Sembayo, Manuel Zeke Mukagovitz, Ebunimile. We'd like to thank you so much to our friends from nowhere other than Ireland. Where are you? Ireland, okay. Okay, so what? Go on. Ladies and gentlemen, before we announce okay. Ladies and gentlemen, before we announce the scores, a big applause to Nature Africa for this concert. Nature Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, again, okay.
So, the guy is a good guy, he's a good fighter. So I respect him as well. And I'm a good fighter as well. If we withdraw, it's okay, it's a good fighting. Yeah, ndi musanyifu ne fight kubanga sidira de banga dene ngasibera meguwa singira meguwa. So ye fight so se ngoza chitwade emyezi egiwerako oba kiza okuba kigenda mu mwaka na sirwana naye at least webanga nkoze draw ne guy Olympian musajja asimu be mulungi, so nze ndi very happy with it. No, I mean sometimes bobo genda okuba na fight tosoka wenna kwemalayo osooka n'osoma omusajja lawundi esooka n'olaba ali atya then nomanya kyekyo mukolera lawundi eyokubiri omanya kyekyo mukolera n'eyokusatu naye olw'okuba nti kintwalidde ebbanga ddene nga sibeera meguwa ebintu ebimu oluusi bizibuwala okutegeera nti mbiri gubadde guludde okuba nti nogubeera fiit ekimala naye bwe kiba nti nsobodde okukola dro n'omusajja mulungi nange ndi mulungi so sina kyeŋŋamba nti oba waliwo obuzibu nti oba banzibye wano oba wali no fight yenna gw'obadde ogiwa obadde osobola ogiwa oli osobadde ogiwa nze okutwaliza awamu tijabu yange ebadde slow nnyo sometimes ebintu ebimu ebituleetera okuddayo no working out nomanya ensobi ebadde wano oddayo n'okola training nomanya kiki luli ekyakozesa dro oba ekyakubisa noba nti ate otandika okitraininga n'amaanyi ogenda okuddamu okugenda kufaita eddako nga at least kiteredde kiringanga bweyinza okugamba nti Mayweather aliwo omusajja gwe yazanya naye kuzimu ku fight eziye zisembyeyo omuzannyo omu yamuwa hard fight Mayweather twakiraba ffenna twali eno nga tuwakana n'okwakana Mayweather bamukubye oba kitegeera naye yamanya ensobi ye eyamukubisizza n'addayo n'akola training n'amaanyi kyovola nti yamuwali maaki bwangu okitegeera n'adda n'amuyisa bubi so kino sikyekwasa ti oba bankubye oba nkoze kyonna ekibaddewo kibadde fine kibadde kintwalidde ebbanga eddene ebiseera ebisinga nti bwolwawo okulwana tubeera mirimu gyaffe egyemu emirala ebyotraining nosooka obivaako bwe bagamba nti eriyo fight oba myezi gyo ebiri esatu kiba nganze kati professional kimala okulwana fight round 12 bompe emyezi ebiri kiba gimala oba kitegeera so mbadde nti nagejjamuko naye akabanga ke bampadde kinderedde okuba nti alista atondabako nga ndi bwe nti luli mbadde munene nnyo kyovola nti n'okuzitowa nzitowa okumuvinga ola nti tekikola ki naye olwa experience gye nina kinderedde okuba nti nsobola fight egikozesa dro.
Very, very hard, very tough competitor, Joey Vegas. I knew he was carrying an extra bit of weight, so I thought he would have been a bit slower. But he was fairly fast with the weight he's at. But I thought I boxed well, considering I'm out of the ring 5 years. So it was a nice little fight for me to get back in, and I thought I won the fight maybe slightly, but I gave it a draw. So, well, look, I'm happy. It's a result. It's a full house. All the funds go to North Africa, and that's what it's about.
Are you happy with the draw?
I'm happy with the draw. Yeah, I came here for a win, but the draw is okay on home soil in Uganda.
What do you say about Uganda and the fighters of Uganda?
Great fighters, very fit, very strong. Maybe need to work on their technical side. A bit more acute as their boxing talent progresses. So good coaching will bring that on, but very fit, big hearts, very big hearts like Joey Vegas. Very big heart, and he worked very hard in there for the 5 rounds.
Do you think Joey Vegas gave you a challenge?
Definitely. Considering I'm out of the ring 5 years, it was a great challenge by Joey, but if you had got me when I was fit, and when he was fit, it'd be a different result.
You lost what?
Say it again. Very happy for the TVs, for the coverage. It's been a great, fantastic night, very positive for Uganda, for Manzana, and raising funds for North Africa. Thank you very much. That's no credit to take away from Vegas. He's a good challenger, good fighter. It was a very competitive fight, and we got the draw, so everyone's happy. I slowed down the ring for a number of reasons. One, because Joey Vegas was coming on very strong and I'm not very fit for 5 rounds. The second reason was the ring canvas is very lumpy and not uneven, so I had to concentrate on my feet an awful lot more. So that was a challenge.
Were you surprised by this opponent?
Well, no, I knew he had plenty of experience because his record had a lot of fights, so I knew he was going to be very strong, and I treated it that way, so I was very cautious at the start. But I felt I won the first 3 rounds quite easily. Then I got tired and he probably nicked the last 2. But that's how it goes.
Would you call it a draw?
No, I'd say I won by a round. Thank you.
Next time, silver medalist, Madam Olympics, Madam Commonwealth, so we are part of the ring, Madam Champion Mission now. Chironi,
ti ada kuingia miguone muda ukusembea kuingia migua sode okola draw no musaji ono so mama nyo kumpakita mama nyo kunjakala
Players at the Vegas. Thank you so much for everything.
Kamanga